guys, good morning. Day 4 in Danang. We'll be exploring most of the malls and local stuff in Danang. So guys, अभी हम वियतनाम के DJI के स्टोर के अंदर आए हैं एंड आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग कि क्या क्या है ऑप्शंस बिकॉज हमें एक ऑस्मो एक्शन लेना था एंड यहाँ पर काफ़ी वैरायटी है. हमने 2 चीज़ें परचेज़ करी है. एक तो DJI माइक वायरलेस वाला और दूसरा Osmo Action 6. इट वॉज इन माई विश लिस्ट फॉर सो लॉन्ग, सो अभी हमने ले लिया है. तो चलो गाइस, लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. Okay.
You have a sign here, so you will do it.
Okay.
That's the same.
Okay. Hello.
It's very tight.
Then we came to this Wincom Plaza. यहाँ पर हमने H&M स्टोर से कुछ शॉपिंग करी. बट गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, इंडिया में ज़्यादा वैरायटी है, यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा वैरायटी नहीं है. सो आई वुड recommend you guys to skip this place and directly explore more of beaches. Mall's collection was little disappointing, but sunset made my evening and we reached Han Market. This market is very famous for local stuff. यहाँ पर अगर आप आ रहे हो, so please beware of the smell because if you are not habitual, it is very difficult.
L'Italiano restaurant, take 14.
Here we are in Danang and we had an amazing pizza today, and the remaining part will be explained by the owner himself. So yeah, I'm just handing over to him.
Buonasera, good evening everybody. My name is Carmine, I'm the owner of L'Italiano restaurant. Welcome to Da Nang. Have a look. We offer salads, bruschetta, pasta, pizza, and a few signature dishes that we have. One of our signature dishes is lasagna, meatballs, and also our Napoli pizza, and an amazing homemade tiramisu grandmother's recipe. Please come have a look. Xin chào. We hope to see you soon. Welcome to Vietnam. Grazie. Ciao.
Guys, हम इनको खिला रहे हैं इंडियन फूड. This driver was so cute that he let Akshay to drive the car for a few kilometers. gonna miss this view, guys. I'm feeling so sad, guys. आज last day है दनाल में and this is my room view. So guys, we are on the top of TMS Beach Hotel. यहाँ का beach view कितना बढ़िया है.
Letterize accommodate.
Oh my god, so pretty. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options हैं.
Bye bye. See you again. Coming soon.
Okay, bye. Sure.